Bobby!
Hey guys, and welcome back to BOBY'S World. Today we're doing a homemade versus restaurant bought Chipotle blind taste test. So we made a vegan Chipotle bowl and we're gonna taste test it against the actual Chipotle. We're gonna include the recipes for all of the components in the bowl, and then after that we're gonna go into our blind taste test. So let's get cooking. So for the brown rice, you'll need 1 cup of brown rice, 1/2 lime, 1/2 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic, and 1/4 cup cilantro. So first, wash your rice, then add rice and 2 cups of water to a pot. Cover the pot and bring to a boil, and then reduce heat. After 35 minutes, remove the rice from heat and add lime juice, garlic, olive oil, and salt. Add cilantro and then mix. For the black beans, you'll need 16 ounces of black beans, 1/4 onion, 1 tablespoon oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, oregano, and black pepper, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 lime, and 3 teaspoons garlic. Add oil to a large pot and turn the heat to high. Add onion, garlic, and stir. Add 1 cup of water. Then add your washed beans and stir again. Add bay leaf and spices and stir. Simmer for 30 minutes. For the sofritas, you'll need 1/2 green pepper, 1 medium tomato, 1/2 red onion, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon oregano and pepper, 3 teaspoons garlic, 2 chipotle peppers plus 2 tablespoons of adobo sauce, 1 packet tofu, and 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar. To a food processor, add onion, tomato, pepper, and adobo sauce. Add 1/4 cup water and add chipotle peppers. Add garlic, vinegar, and spices. Pulse mixture until smooth. Remove the mixture and set aside. Place tofu in the food processor and pulse until a crumbly consistency. Add tofu and sauce to a container and mix well. Add the mixture to a pan and cook for 15 minutes on high heat, mixing throughout. For the fajita veggies, you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 onion, and 1/2 green peppers. Add oil to pan and turn heat to medium-high. Add sliced peppers and onions to the pan. Add salt and oregano. Cook until brown and soft, stirring occasionally. For the pico de gallo, you'll need 1 medium tomato, 1 lime, 1/2 red onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup cilantro, and 1 jalapeno pepper. Dice tomato, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro and add to a bowl. Add lime juice and salt and mix thoroughly. For the corn salsa, you'll need 16 ounces of frozen corn, 2 jalapeno peppers, 1 poblano pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 limes, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 red onion, and 1/2 cup cilantro. Dice your peppers and add to pan on medium heat. Add corn, onion, and spices. Cook until browned, mixing occasionally. For the guac, you'll need 1 avocado, 1/2 jalapeno, 1/4 red onion, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cilantro, and 1/4 lime. Remove skin and pit from avocado. Add lime juice and mash together. Add onion, cilantro, and salt. Mix well.
The rules for this taste test are, I'm going to have Eric wear this blindfold, which he cannot see through, and I will feed him 1 bite from each bowl.
I'll rate them based on flavor, and then at the end I'll guess which one is Chipotle and which one is homemade. So let's get tasting.
Okay. Why is it funny? I swear. Can you see?
No.
You sure?
Holding a number up. Uh-oh, I can feel something though.
Kitty
Feel a kitty.
wants some Chipotle. Okay, open your mouth.
Tastes like Chipotle.
Duh.
I can taste the veggies, the pico, the corn and lettuce, and
But what does it taste like?
It's like Chipotle. But I don't know if it's ours or the other ones. I don't know if ours tastes more like Chipotle than Chipotle.
Okay.
But it tastes good. Tastes like good, fresh, healthy.
Okay. Number 2. Taste test.
That one tastes good too. First one's a little spicier. Second one's a little more mild. The second one, it tasted more of the tofu. They both tasted good but different. I think the only thing that's different is kind of like the ratio of like how much stuff
Yeah.
of different types is in there.
Because, like, what was the ratio? Like, what was...
Like the first one was more like salsa and lettuce and less of the other stuff. And the second one was more like tofu and like beans and rice and less of the cold things. So I'm pretty sure that the first one was Chipotle. Am I right? Yeah?
That's the first one.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Yes.
Yay!
Right.
But the homemade one is still really good. I like the beans and the tofu. I mean, we just put more of those, I think, because we like them the best.
Chipotle tends to skimp on their meat, even if it's vegan. So Chipotle, anybody from Chipotle, if you're out there, stop skimping on your meat. Stop being cheap with your toppings.
But if you make it at home, then you don't have to skimp.
Yes.
And there's no extra charge for guac or
Exactly.
double portion.
You can add as much guac as you want.
So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipes and I hope you try the Chipotle homemade vegan bowl for yourself and let us know what you think. Let us know if it tastes like Chipotle or if it tastes better. Follow us and like this video if you want to see more vegan recipes and content.
Bye.